In today's market, revenue generation is about more than just making the deal. As the world evolves, you have to rapidly adapt to keep your edge on the competition. Manual, disjointed quote-to-cash processes are expensive, slow, and filled with friction for employees and customers, keeping your business from staying competitive. Billing Platform is the industry-leading cloud-based solution that accelerates ideas into revenue by automating the quote-to-revenue process. With a flexible and scalable platform, we put organizations in control of how they manage and grow their revenue. Billing Platform gives you all the tools you need to optimize the revenue process, from quoting to account management to billing to revenue recognition. With no-code, point-and-click configurability, and easy-to-use APIs, you can quickly extend user interfaces, data models, and workflows on your own, reducing dependency on IT resources and custom programming. And because Billing Platform has enterprise-grade security, you can be confident that your data is safe and compliance is assured, so you can manage your revenue efficiently and securely, growing your business faster with fewer obstacles. Get started with Billing Platform's complete revenue management solution today and future-proof your business for tomorrow. Contact us to learn more.